All right, so I just got off the phone with the customer, looked up some parts and stuff. My local Ford warehouse has 6 of these condensers in stock, so I'm going to assume this is probably a fairly common issue. So this will make for a pretty decent video for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and set up a tripod, and I'm going to change this condenser out. Liz has the ADOS refrigerant van, so I do have a machine for pulling refrigerant out. So I'll go ahead and evac this out, and then pull the condenser out. We're going to get it here in stock. We only use factory parts. We don't do R&R. You guys know this. You've seen my videos. But because we have this shop location and my techs are all out and I've got to be here because the kids are here because they're out of school for spring break and all that, I'm going to go ahead and just do this job. So you guys can come along with me and we'll do a condenser R&R and we'll fix this Ford truck. All right, so I just finished evacing it out, so we're going to go ahead and tear this thing down. Seems like a simple fix for them. Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to the L1 Automotive. I'm kidding. Sorry. I'm totally gonna send that one to Eric. So we got our brand new part from the old Motorcraft. Not a sponsor. Got the autofocus on, so it's totally screwed up. So we got it mounted in its final resting place. I'm going to go ahead and hook up the vacuum pump and check for leaks before we finish assembling the car. All right, so we're all done. Condenser's all installed. No extra pieces left over. Woo! Except for this thing. I don't know where this thing goes, but I don't know. So, that's it for the repair. So let's check out some scan data and confirm our repair. All right, we're back post condenser, so let's take a look here. Pressing buttons with my fingers. So 830 kilopascals, that's over 100 psi. I did just have it running a second ago when I finished filling it. So either way, that's over double the 50, so it's a little over 100 psi at least. Probably like 110, 115. I'll put a little thing up on the screen of an actual conversion. Let's go ahead and start it. We have the AC commanded on, low, and AC on. And we can see it's building pressure. Yeah, so that's, let's see, 1100 kPa is like 150 or something. So definitely working here. Let's see about if we have, let's look at evap temp sensor, evaporator temperature. Let's see, the AC just came on, so 37.4. That's a good number. That's some cold air. Oh yeah. Yep, so staying around 40 degrees, 37 to 39, it's perfect. That means the evaporator is not freezing over. As we approach too close to 32 degrees, the evaporator will freeze. Then we'll have a really interesting restriction happening. So yeah, we're good. There we go. Should have showed you guys that first of what it wasn't cooling like, but there we go, all fixed. So remember, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification. If you like this repair video stuff or whatever, let me know. I'm not going to do a bunch of them. This was a weird circumstance, but hey, you know, is what it is. And remember, check out i1training.com for some great diagnosis tips and training. We'll see you next time.